Hello guys, welcome to a new video. And I want to show you a quick thing in Robinhood Legend that has been added recently, and this is gonna make life more simpler if you use Robinhood Legend, right? So I'm gonna explain you everything that's added and how it can make your trading, especially options trading, easier. So without any further ado, let's start. Okay, so I'm in my Robinhood Legend, right? And this is the blank canvas. So if you are actually new to this Robinhood Legend, I have dedicated videos that I'm gonna link, and they're gonna explain you. I've explained in those videos exactly how this all set up. It's a pretty good, and if you are already paying for Robinhood Gold, then and a lot of every indicator and everything is free here, and that makes it more usable where you have to like pay on any outside tool that you use, right? Where you have to they are limited by indicators that you can use and a lot of other restrictions, right? In Robinhood Legend, if you are in Robinhood, this is comes along with that, right? So it's all completely free. uh, in this video I'm not gonna touch everything, so I'm just gonna briefly tell you what is added new, especially for the options trading. So in options chain, when you drag and drop here, right? So this is the normal options chain, right? Okay. So that's the normal options chain. So you can adjust resize and everything. Those things are pretty seamless in Robinhood Legend. And this is the default view that you may be familiar with any of the other brokerages, right? So this is the usual that a lot of brokerages have, where you can see the side by side view of an options chain, right? So it's gonna tell you all the call and put sides. In the left hand side, you see the call, on the right hand side you see the put, and then these are the expirations. This is a typical classical view of an options chain, and if you are more used to this chain, that's fine, well and good. However, if you are more used to the way it shows up in the Robinhood app, right? If you are more familiar with that, you if you like that view more to do trading, that's what they have added now. So if you click on these three dots here and do a focus chain, right? So that's the new thing that has been added. Okay. So now if you look at this, right, this would look very familiar to you if you are in the app or the desktop version of it, right? So in this one, you are just looking at a particular focused expiration date, right? Very similar to the way it shows up in the app. It's just that the way you can actually do it, right? So you can have this on the one side, and then you can have another one, right? So you can basically you can add another widget for the option chain, and then in this view you can have that as a normal side by side, right? So this kind of gives you both things together, right? So you can mix and match these things. If you're more familiar here, you see here, but if you quickly wanted to take a glance of all the other expiration date, you do that here, and then once you know that which expiration date you are playing, then you can come here and do a focused view of that expiration, right? So that makes it more easy to see everything in one uh, I would say screen, compared to you are limited to a single screen when if you're doing in the app or even their desktop experience, right? So this is gonna be pretty handy to have everything in one screen. Markets are closed right now, but if it was open, I could actually see this how these things move, right? So it's pretty interesting to have everything in one screen, so you can take good decisions, right? So that's the quick uh, little feature that they have added, and they are keep improving this, right? The Robinhood Legend, it's not still at par with some of the other more day trader friendly platforms, but they are getting there, right? So they are slowly getting there, pleasing their customers which are in the app plus the desktop. So they're trying to combine everything in this Robinhood Legend. So definitely do check out if you feel more engaged in the app. This is gonna give you a way to have the similar experience here. So that was a quick video, guys, and I hope you liked it. Anything related to options, do check out my other videos. They talk a lot about options. If you are new to it, there are a lot of beginner-friendly videos, and I'm sure those are gonna help you. And still, any questions, do put your question down in the comment below, and I will respond to that. With that, I'm closing this one. Happy investing, guys. Bye bye.